Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to install CakePHP 3.8. So I'm going to right now type here CakePHP 3.8 download. Now click on this link, installations 3.8. Now you can check, this is the official website, uh, CakePHP official website. So we need to some configurations to our systems like PHP 7.3 some things or greater than 5.6 and base string PHP, and this is important to ours to requirement. And if you have a using XAMPP, so you need to configure this thing also, just check it. Okay, now if you are using database engine required is here like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL. Okay, so hope so you understand this process. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Okay, definitely I will try to resolve a query. Okay, if you're using MySQL, make sure you have 5.5.3 greater or greater. Okay, and MariaDB 5.5 and PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL, so you always think about it. Now something installation, so you need to check PHP version. Okay, so PHP version may be greater than 5.6, you just think about it. Okay, you have be make sure you have 5.6 and click on the composer installations process. So you just click on this official website and click on download, and after that you can check out here how to install composer. So in my system already installed, so I'm not going to show you how to install composer. If you have any doubt, you can check my video, how to install composer, real programmer, so you can check out, okay, in my series also. So now I'm going to here. So then I'm not going to show you how to install composer. I'm expecting you have already. Okay, so if you want a particular composer within a path directory, you can select from here. And now this command is for the creating project, so I'm going to copy from here, create project, prepare dist cake php is important. Okay, so now I'm going to copy from here to here because I will give name whatever I want. I'm going to inside of the folder which have already you installed map because I'm using Mac machine. Okay, so I'm going to inside of the application map and docs folder. Now I'm going to install here with my underscore cake. This is my project name. Okay, after this installations process, it will take little bit time. So once this is done, you need to go inside the folder. Okay, now just check cake php using composer. This is the easy way to install. Okay, using composer. Now once this is done, then we need to make sure here our source template and page, this is a by default template loading by cake php inside of the page folder. Okay, source template page and home.ctp. This is the extension, basically cake php extension. And how to check this is a 3.8 or not, you can check for the your package.json file. Okay, this one, sorry, composer.json file. Let's check again, this is a 3.8. okay, you can check whatever version you want. Now I'm going to, this is yes, set permission, yes, done. Now what we need to do, I'm going to open my project. Okay, you can open your project to using your terminal, or you can set permissions from here. So I'm going to using Mac machine, so I'm going I can also to 1 second, and now I'm inside the folder. I'm giving the permission chmod x because I'm using Mac. So yeah, yes, okay, so chmod plus x, this command, yes, this is also done. Now we need to go further reason you cannot change the permissions. Kick php console is not important. Okay, I'm going to type again, leave here is not important here. Okay, now I'm inside the folder. Now cake php is not important basically. Okay, I'm going to here developments. Now bin cake server, this is the very important things because to run your application, so you need to type here. You can check from core. This is the core command server. Okay, now our machine is ready. Now you can check on this port localhost 8765. Now look, this is done now. Great. Oh wow, successful installation successfully done. Now one more things, we need to configure database. Okay, so where is database settings? You need to go. I'm going to open my folder. So I'm using subl not, I'm going to use VS Code. So type here, yeah, sorry, I'm going to use this one. So you can configure your database setting. So let's app.php. Now within app.php you can check your database configuration setting. Now username is root. Okay, password, sorry, root @123. Okay, here one second, I'm going to inside of my terminal. MySQL user is root and password root @123. I'm going to type here. Now done. Now create database and database name. I'm going to type here, database name is my cake PHP. Done. Now my cake PHP, my underscore cake PHP. Okay, so databases. Done. You can check my cake PHP is here. Now I'm going to use database. Sorry, this is a username. Username is root basically. Yes, root, and password is root @123. I have right here wrong. Password is root @123. This is done. Now check. So I'm going to run again. Yes, this is done. CakePHP able to connect database. Now done. Yes, this is process is done from my side, and let's check. Yes, this is done. Perfect. And a second. And if you're in doubt, please comment on comment section. If you're not subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button so you can watch multiple things like CakePHP, Laravel, Python, Django, database, AWS, everything you can check from my server. And hope so this is done. Yes, thank you for watching this video.
If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.